New York Reuters. World stock markets declined on Thursday, with Wall Street and the U.S. dollar falling in the wake of details of a Republican tax plan and ahead of results from Apple AAPL, while sterling dropped after a policy announcement from the Bank of England. File photo. The New York Stock Exchange NYSE is pictured in New York City, New York, U.S., August 2, 2017. Reuters. Carlo Allegre. File photo. Stocks edged lower after the release of the Republican tax plan, which called for a swath of changes to the U.S. tax code, including slashing the corporate tax rate and reducing the number of tax brackets for individuals. Basically, it is not revenue neutral on the face of it, and it would require some awfully optimistic assumptions in terms of dynamic scoring, meaning growth will be so huge the tax cut will pay for itself, said Ed Yardeni, president and chief investment strategist at Yardeni Research Inc. in New York. Getting it through Congress could be challenging. Apple AAPL, the largest U.S. company by market capitalization, will report results after the market closes. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJI, fell 1.32 points, or 0.01%, to 23,433.69. The SP 500, SPX, lost 4.74 points, or 0.18%, to 2,574.62, and the Nasdaq Composite, IXIC, dropped 13.24 points, or 0.2%, to 6,703.29. Housing, HGX shares stumbled 0.95% on the tax plan, which would maintain the deductions for mortgage interest on existing loans, and newly purchased homes for up to $500,000. File photo. Workers stand on steps opposite the Bank of England in the City of London, Britain, November 1, 2017. Reuters. Toby Melville. The dollar fell to its lowest in a week against a basket of major currencies after the tax details were released. The dollar index, DXY, fell 0.24%, with the euro up 0.47% to $1.1672. Sterling skidded after the Bank of England raised interest rates for the first time in more than 10 years, but said it expected only very gradual further increases over the next 3 years. File photo. Pedestrians leave and enter the London Stock Exchange in London, Britain, August 15, 2017. Reuters. Neil Hale. File photo. Sterling dropped 1.1% GBP and was on track for its biggest one-day drop since June, and Britain's main FTSE 100 stock index climbed, FTSE 0.7%. The rest of Europe retreated from two-year highs hit in the prior session. The Pan-European FTSE SORO First 300 Index, FTEU3, lost 0.45%, and MSCI's gauge of stocks across the globe, MIWDOOOOP US, shed 0.05%. Attention will stay on the Fed after it held rates steady on Wednesday and cemented expectations for a third U.S. rate hike of the year in December, with Donald Trump's expected nomination of Jerome Powell on Thursday to replace Janet Yellen at the Fed's helm. Powell is a current policymaker and is seen by Fed followers as a Yellen-style pragmatist and less likely to sharply raise interest rates than some of the other candidates to have been in the running. Benchmark 10-year U.S. notes US 10YTR hour last rose 732 in price to yield 2.3505%, from 2.376% late on Wednesday. Reporting by Chuck McCollichak. Editing by Bernadette Baumore. Standards. The Thomson Reuters Trust Principles.